Fiverr Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. Fiverr is a popular freelance marketplace designed for businesses and individuals seeking services in various categories, including graphic design, writing, programming, digital marketing, and more. The platform is especially ideal for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and even personal projects, offering an affordable and flexible way to outsource tasks. Fiverr's standout feature is its user-friendly interface, allowing you to browse through thousands of gigs with transparent pricing and clear service descriptions. You can filter freelancers based on price, delivery time, and ratings, which makes finding the right fit straightforward and efficient. Additionally, Fiverr Pro offers access to hand-vetted professionals for high-quality work, although this comes at a premium cost. Creating an account is simple, and you can quickly post a request or directly purchase a gig. Fiverr's built-in communication tools allow seamless collaboration with freelancers, while milestone payments ensure you only pay for completed work. My personal experience with Fiverr was positive. It's a great solution for quick, budget-friendly tasks like logo design or basic content writing. However, for highly specialized or long-term projects, you may need to spend extra time vetting freelancers, as quality can vary among standard listings. The platform also ensures buyer protection with secure payments and a dispute resolution process if things don't go as planned. The mobile app is equally functional, allowing you to manage orders on the go, which is perfect for busy professionals. On the downside, Fiverr's service fees, ranging from 5 to 20%, can add up, especially for smaller projects. Still, this cost is justified by the convenience and range of services it provides. In conclusion, Fiverr excels at providing quick, diverse freelance solutions for nearly any project. It's best suited for one-off or small-scale tasks and offers excellent value for money if you're strategic about selecting freelancers. While it might not replace in-depth hiring processes for long-term partnerships, it's a must-try for anyone looking to get professional help without breaking the bank. If you've used Fiverr before, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.